Hi, Pamela Henderson here, founder, president of 65 Max Foundation. My mission is to create a quality of life, being at risk, implementing to become rubies, diamonds, jewels, and sapphires by creating community generosity and involvement. I am against child trafficking, child abuse, child neglect, violence against girls, and prostitution. My focus is in East Contra Costa County, girls ages 12 to 24 years old whom have fallen through the cracks of the judicial system. My vision is to expose their passion and talents in a positive way, to become responsible adults and resilient girls of tomorrow. My foundation deserves the Rosalind Jaffe Award because not only do I focus on integrity, confidence, and self-esteem, but my foundation creates jobs. Please support my foundation. Get on this train and ride with me towards greatness because I am going 65 and beyond. Thank you so much for the opportunity, and God bless.